Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to cancel our NAB direct debit or recurring payment. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to cancel our NAB direct debit or recurring payment, first what you need to do is identify the type of payment. From direct debit or recurring payment, direct debit, an organization pulls money from your account with your authorization, and recurring payment is a merchant charges a debit or credit card regularly for some subscriptions. Then, in order to cancel it, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up application, then simply tap on login and then log into your account. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do here is contact the merchant first, let the company know you want to cancel the agreement and request the confirmation in writing or by email. Then once inside here, what you need to do is just simply go to the accounts and then select direct debits if available and select the one to cancel. You can also use the search feature as well, and then or you can also call NAB contact center on the number 132265, which is 24 hours open, and request cancellation. You can also visit a NAB branch to complete a direct debit cancellation form, and then NAB will stop the debit, but you should keep a written confirmation in case the merchant tries to charge you again. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.